Alright y'all, so how's everybody doing? I'm Neff with Nocturnal Labs. As you guys can see, we got a whole bunch of stuff in. We went from a smaller dust deputy to the bigger dust deputy with the 4-inch inlets because we got the Dust Right wall mount dust collector. And I couldn't use the little small one like you guys seen that I have. That one's been connected to my CNC router, but we upgraded. So we got the 14-foot long hose, the super dust deputy, because we're gonna convert this to a 2-stage system, collect all the dust and the bigger material so it won't go through the actual fins on the collector and damage it. So we got the upgraded 5-micron dust bag. This here, eventually we're gonna go with a filter and get that down to 1 micron because you know the dust destroys your lungs. So we got the quick connect piece, so I could hook it up to all my machines. Obviously we got the clamps. And then I got this big piece here because whenever I'm using the miter saw, it doesn't collect all the dust. So I'm gonna hook it up right behind the miter saw and crank this bad boy up, and hopefully it sucks a lot more dust than the little vacuum does. So we'll see how it works. I'll probably make another video and show you guys. But let's get to it. Let's start putting this bad boy together. So we're about to open it up real quick, see what we got inside so we can start measuring on the wall, making sure that we have enough room for it, because I know I think the hose thing goes this way and then the motor goes that way. I don't want to drill holes on the studs and then figure out it's not correct. See what we got. Alright, so we got the plate. So this bad boy hooks up to the back and you screw the actual dust collector onto this. So I see the screws. So here's one piece. Here's another bracket. I'm about to figure out where this one goes in a little bit. This thing looks heavy. It actually weighs like 55 pounds, I believe. 50 pounds. Alright, so I believe this is the 30 micron bag. Oh, we got more parts in here. Alrighty. Hardware pack and a bag. And the actual motor. The actual dust collector. Yeah, pretty heavy. And nothing else. No stickers. Come on. Come on, man. Alright, so I'm gonna figure out where on the wall are we gonna set it up. I'm gonna mark my holes, drill, and then I'll have it actually put on the wall, and I'll show you guys the next steps. Okay, so here's what I did. I attached this bracket to the motor, and then that bracket attaches to the piece where it actually hooks up to the wall. So as you can see, we still got that piece to go, and that's what holds it on the wall. I'm gonna modify it a little bit because I don't trust that little piece. Alright, so this is what I did. I screwed it's a 1-inch thick solid red oak straight to the 2x4s. Now I'm a little more confident that it won't fall. Okay, y'all, so it's on the wall. What I did, like I told you guys, I put that solid red oak on there, screwed the bracket that the actual motor goes to, and then I put an extra screw right there straight to the 1-inch piece of wood. Now I know that bad boy's not coming down, so let's continue with the rest. All right, y'all, so I put the little gasket in place, and now we're ready for the 5-micron bag. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so the bag is mounted. You actually have a little spot here to see how much dust is in there to get rid of it before it gets full. But that's it, super easy to put together. The clamp was a little rough, but I manhandled it. And by the way, I bought all this with my own money, so I am no way, shape, or form sponsored by Rockler. Okay, y'all, everything is connected. But tell me how I spent more time connecting them hoses than I did the whole, well, putting together this whole thing. Them hoses ain't no joke. But we're about to try it out. Alrighty, y'all, so here we go. We went from this, the little dust deputy with a vacuum cleaner, to the super dust deputy with the dust right. Let's see how this bad boy works. Well, let's see what it sounds like first of all. Let me get this hose out of here. Okay. All right, buddy, you ready? Alright, so it is pretty loud, but man, does it have some suction power. Alright, now this is what this one sounds like. Alright, y'all, I'm about to test it. I'm going to connect it to this sander and see how this bad boy works. This right here produces a lot of dust, so we're about to find out. And it's loud, by the way. So that thing is loud, but what I have to do, let me show you guys, because this is actually not set up for a 4-inch, so I kind of did a little thingy to hook it up, but it was a lot less dust than what it usually does with the little smaller vacuum. So I like it, it's a good upgrade, and I'm happy with the purchase. You guys hit that like and subscribe and follow, because we got some more builds coming up. And now that we got this bad boy, we can work in here dust free. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much.